Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 here, back again with another video for you guys. Today, I'm gonna be making a wooden mallet. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna be making a wooden mallet. So here's the piece of wood I have to start with. One of my coworkers gave it to me. So what I did was I flattened one side most of the way. So now I'm just trying to get a straight enough angle, so using the saw. So I'm putting the wood in the vise. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm just sawing away at it. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing till it gets all the way down. So I'll just do that off camera, and then I'll show you the next step of making the mallet. So stay tuned. Okay, so I did a little bit more than I said I was going to do, but here is pretty much the finished product. I know not all the sides are perfectly straight, but that's fine. So the only side that's not smooth is this side right here. So what I'm going to do is put it in the vise and use the block plane to smooth the rest of it down. And then I will be working on the handle. So that'll be pretty fun. So this hand plane that I got from Home Depot, actually not that bad. Adjustable, so not too bad. So let me just go finish this up, and then we'll start working on the handle. Okay, so you know what? I lied. I'm not working on the handle right now. What I'm doing is I'm kind of rounding off each of these edges a little bit. So all of the edges are gonna be just like this. So what I'm doing is I'm clamping the wood into the vise, and I'm taking my plane, just taking a little bit off at a time. Now, my whole purpose of this wood mallet is it's not going to be perfect, you know? This is my first big woodworking project besides the table, bench top that I made. So, it's okay if everything is not perfect. Wasn't trying to have it be perfect. But seems to be working out pretty nice. Go to the other side. There we go. We have two sides done. Oh wow. One of them has more of an angle than the other. All right, so I'm gonna work on this side off camera, and I'll finish the rest of the sides, and then I'll get back to when it's done. Okay, so here's the final look for it. Pretty nice. Definitely made some errors, but like I said, not too worried about it or concerned. Anyway, this is 3 inches by 3 inches by 6 1/4 inches. So I think that'll be pretty nice for a mallet. So now, where's my handle that I had? I'll be right back and I'll show you what I plan on using for a handle. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, fix the camera. Oh, it's worse. Alright, so what I plan on using on the handle is a baseball bat handle. Thought this was pretty cool. So what I'm going to be doing, cutting a hole in this, or drilling a hole in it, and then using my chisels to square it out. Then I plan on making the dimensions of the handle the same as the hole I make. So that way it'll fit in there nice and snug. And then what I plan on doing is drilling a hole through the side and then putting in a wooden dowel in there. That way this won't come out. I will also be using wood glue as well. So I think it'll be pretty cool. So altogether this probably looks something like this, which to me that seems pretty cool. Anyway, let me get to drilling the hole and yeah, we'll go from there. So actually I'm gonna stop here for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 where I finish making the handle and just finishing up the mallet. Video will probably be posted in a few days. Make sure to check that out. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.